everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to pipe a buttercream rose swirl. Now this technique looks lovely just on its own or piped with other piping techniques on cakes and cupcakes. But as you know, I like to make cake toppers and I like to use the rose swirl as a base for all my cake toppers. I think they just look very pretty and very professional. Okay, so the first thing I need to tell you is what piping tip I use, and I use a Wilton 2D piping tip to pipe my rose swirls. Now this is a large drop flower piping tip, and I will leave a link to the tip in the description so you can take a closer look. Let's go straight to the tutorial. Holding the piping bag straight down, start in the centre and just above the cupcake. Apply pressure to the bag so you pipe a kind of star shape in the middle of the cupcake. Lift the tip slightly and keeping an even pressure, move around the outside of this star, keeping that even pressure until you pipe all around the edge of the cupcake. When you reach the end, slowly release pressure and lift up, breaking away from the buttercream. So I'm just going to show you that again at normal speed. And now from a different angle. And here's a little pictorial for you which you can pause and look at closer if you need to. I used an American buttercream to pipe the rose swirls in this tutorial. Okay, I really hope that you found this tutorial useful. Please don't forget to check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.